You're welcome.
I welcome you all. Today we are all going back home to prepare Tetrapleura Tetraptera light soup. Hey, prekese na wase. Na science for mukofa asadi way. Sometimes they say prekese is only found in Ghana and Israel. Hey, mobwa. Prekese is also found in Nigeria. So first cook your light soup ingredient or the equipment or the atosodier. While cooking the atosodier, we are going to steam the fish. I use dry fish. Add salt to taste. Then add chopped onion to it. This is a typical village style of cooking prekese nkwan or prekese light soup. In the olden days, our parents did not add any artificial spice to their food, but they still grew older, stronger, and more healthy. If you would like to grow older like your grandparents, then never forget aduanina abeto or omubuchu asono. So after the atosodier has been blended and while the dry fish has been steamed for some time, then pour it on it. Now this is where the WAEC or WASSCE or NAFDEC examination lies, adding water to the soup. Whether you would get A, B or F depends on the amount of water that you would add. After passing your examination on the water, let's get to the Tetrapleura Tetraptera. Oh, science for muchantro. Adi a friend prekese muso hedi bi amodi amano. So wash it for the first time and then roast it. After roasting it, wash it again and then put it in the boiling light soup. Today's soup is a typical village healthy soup. So I've got my domo or mushroom. This type of domo or mushroom is normally got from palm wine tappers. I got this domo from Madame Fubronyibia Oye Abetwaniho. You have to wash the domo 3 times. Let the soup cook for some time and then add the domo to it. Hey, a village soup without okro and the enye fufu na kamudi bedi and the mbia na ya pesiemum. After it has been cooked for some time, add your mushroom to it. The fresh tomatoes you can use 4. I added 1 later behind the scene. So now we are going to blend the tomatoes and the onion. When blending, add 2 or 3 mushrooms to it. It will give it a nice taste. After blending it, add a little water according to the status of the soup. And then this is the correct time for adding the okra. So at this stage, lower the temperature now and add a little salt if necessary. When the soup is cooked for some time and it is ready, the color changes. Now the fufu is ready. You are invited. When you finish, say your prayers and then begin to do justice to it. Go!
Safu Adrian, make a boy, make a test to
Safu I want this Safu for the word Jow. Taste to home. The future say, yes, when you say, what I'm saying, because Safu Bafobian and one party, tasting the one DBT, I said, what Jow. Finishing
to the wall.
See the vim.
See a bar.
When I say, Safu Bafu, Adiana, no, I didn't have to. Yes, sure. Never sure, sir. With them,